Most realtors have a website. Many have IDX, some have a CRM, but very few know exactly what's happening in their business every day. Which leads are active? Which listings are getting attention? What are buyers searching for? And most importantly, what should you focus on next? That's why we built the Growth Dashboard. Today, I'll show you how it helps realtors understand their website activity, identify opportunities, and make better decisions to grow their business. Let's start at the top. The Setup section gives you a quick overview of your website's health. You can instantly see whether your MLS feed is connected, whether your CRM is integrated, and whether your website is properly configured. Think of this as your pre-flight checklist. Before worrying about leads and traffic, you want to make sure everything is connected and working correctly. Next, let's look at the leads overview. Here you can see your total leads, new leads today, and active leads from the last 7 days. You'll also see your newest leads and how they're interacting with your website. This is important because activity often tells you more than contact information. When someone is viewing listings, saving properties, or creating searches, they're showing interest. That's why the active leads section is so valuable. Instead of treating every lead the same, you can quickly identify the people who are actively engaging with your website right now. Now let's look at the listings overview. This section shows what's getting attention on your website. If one property is receiving significantly more views than the others, that's a signal. It may be worth featuring in a social media post, video walkthrough, or email campaign. Instead of guessing what buyers want, you're using real data from your visitors. Next, we have the Featured Listings section. This helps you understand how your featured properties are performing. For example, if a listing is getting lots of views but little engagement, it may be time to improve the photos, update the description, or adjust your marketing strategy. One of my favorite sections is Saved Links. This shows which pages on your website are getting the most attention. For example, if a page like Palm Beach Real Estate for Sale is receiving a lot of traffic, that's a strong indication that buyers are interested in that market. You can use that information to create content, send targeted emails, create videos, or promote that area on social media. And this is where AI can help. You can use AI to generate blog articles, neighborhood guides, social media content, and video scripts based on the topics your visitors are already interested in. Next, let's look at the Growth Strategies section. This area highlights apps and tools that are commonly used by high-performing real estate websites. It's a great place to discover features that can help improve lead generation, SEO, website engagement, and overall marketing performance. The Quick Actions and Apps sections make it easy to access the tools you use most. You can jump into your CRM, create community pages, explore new apps, and quickly access recently used tools. Further down, you'll also find tutorials, product updates, and additional resources to help you get more from your website. At the end of the day, growth comes from making better decisions. The more you understand what buyers are doing, which leads are active, and what's working on your website, the easier it becomes to focus on the activities that generate results. That's exactly what the Growth Dashboard is designed to do. If you're looking for a simpler way to track lead activity, understand website performance, and uncover new opportunities, this is a tool every realtor should have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.